Hi, I'm Stu, and welcome back to another LumaFusion video tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to apply text and wrap it around an object. In this case, the globe that we've got here, so that the text gets tucked behind the object and through it. Let's get started. So what I've got in the timeline at the moment is a 5-second globe time lapse. We're just going to go up to our menus and go to titles, and I'm just going to scroll down to plain white title and just drag and drop it. I shall stretch it out all the way and double tap on it. From there, we're going to double tap on the text itself as we go to the titles, and then we're just going to call it Around the World. Spell correctly. Let's call it Around the World, and then from there I'm going to tap Done in the corner. Size is about right, position's fine at this point in time. What I do want to do though is change the font to Sanchez New Regular, and that's looking pretty good. And then we can go back to Frame and Fit. Now if you remember, when working with Frame and Fit, you want to have the X position as your best friend. But before we do that, we're just going to come back out of this, and you're going to make a copy of the globe time lapse. I'm just going to do Command D. That makes a copy. We'll make it invisible just now so we can see our text again, and highlight the type back into Frame and Fit. Then going to go to the beginning of the video, add a keyframe and use the position X to tuck everything over to the right hand side. And then from there, we want to go as far along as we need to. I'm probably going to go to around about 3 seconds. And then I'm going to move the X position all the way along to the other side. And then if we just go back to the beginning and play it through, we should have a text doing that. And what we need to do now is a little bit of cropping. We've switched on our globe time lapse up above. Just double tap on it, go to Frame and Fit, and this time go to cropping. We're going to bring in the left. You just start to see the text appearing around about there, and then we're going to bring in the right, same principle, and then we're just going to adjust the edge softness ever so slightly, and then just play with the distances until we get a bit of a blend between the two. And it happens to be a coincidence that this globe's got a bit of a sort of halo effect around it, which helps disguise the fact that the text is running behind, and that's looking pretty good. Then we just go back to the beginning, play through, and there we go. Now you can go back in, and if you need to, just fine tune that blending edge. I'm just going to take the edge softness down a bit and take the left in again. Just move the timeline back a wee bit, and then just play with the right until it starts to catch the edge of the globe. We'll go back to the beginning, press play, and there you have it. Text floating in behind the globe. Take a look at it on the timeline again, one more play, and it's as simple as that. A very easy technique to apply on a static object. If you've enjoyed this technique, then check out the text reveal video I did last year. I will put a link to it in the card on the top right and also in the description, and I will see you on the next video tutorial.
If you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials every week, and ring the bell to get notified of when Stu has uploaded a new video tutorial. You have been watching. I am Stu. See you later.